Okay guys, I got a 2001 Honda Odyssey here with a 3.5 liter. We're going to change both transmission mounts. Now for this video, we're just going to change the rear mount. So if you need that front one, click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos, and you can find it under Honda Odyssey transmission mount front. But for now, we're going to pull this one here. So we'll get up underneath here. I think I'm about ready for the jack on the trans. Let me show you what we've got. I'm just right at the driver's side tire. If you look underneath the subframe, there are two holes right here. You zip out two 14mm nuts, which I have already done. Up underneath, if you can see this small hole right there, that's where this bolt came out of, a 14mm. Now we're going to go to the back side, and let me show you that one. It's about ready to come out right there. So a few more threads and she's out. Now we're going to go ahead and jack up the transmission, and we'll be able to just slide this thing right out. Actually, there's no weight on the tran. You see it moving? Maybe it's because it's broke too, but we'll get the transmission up just a little bit, and we'll be able to pull this out and slide our other one right in. Okay, so I have the trans up now. Now this one just fell apart. So obviously it's bad. He made a good call picking those up. Also, you guys, if you need the engine mounts, there's 3 of those on this car. We've replaced all 3 of those and made videos for you as well. So now we can go ahead and get the new one here and set it down inside there. It's going to set this direction here. So we'll slide it up in there. It might be easier to do it from the back, but we're just going to put it back in the way that she came back out and run our bolts back in. So let me get her maneuvered around here. It's hard to do this with 2 hands, and let me set it in there. Okay, now we got it sitting up in there. I think you can see those bolts are lined up there, so we can put the nuts on. Now we don't want to tighten it up yet because we may have to shift this thing one way or the other. So when you put the 2 nuts in the bottom, just snug them up a little bit to where you still have movement here. So when you lower this, you can just run those 2 bolts in. And that's it. Tighten them up, you're good to go. So I hope this video helps you out. Please click like, please click subscribe, click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos, and as always guys, enjoy.